thus attracting his attention. The flower stands erect, the stamen proudly presented to allure the bee to her, so she can display.
It's not my birthday. No. My birthday is not for like 4 months. I am not 39. Hi, everybody. There must have been.
Hi, flower delivery.
Oh, God. Who are they from?
Can't believe I almost forgot your birthday. Thank God for Facebook. Happy 39th. Love, Mom.
Great. Oh.
You look great for 39.
That's because I'm not. There was a mix-up on Facebook. It's actually not even my birthday today.
Okay. Please sign right here, Miss Studard.
It's actually pronounced Studard.
Okay. Have a nice day.
You too.
Bees' pollinization circle of life flies, wind of evolution, migration. Bees' pollination cycle of life.
Oh, God.
Flying, buzzing,
Really?
attraction, evolution, migration, etc. Goodness, stamen, etc. Distribution, the wind pollen and distribution. Bees, a stamen proudly presented to allure the bee to her, so she can dispense the pollen she so badly wants to have taken from the naughty.
Hello, Kristen. I have a special delivery for you.
Was I sleep eating?
Once sated, the bee will then fly on to the next target. The bee will never cause